welcome back to Violin Classes for You YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you a new song from Suzuki Book 1, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. This one is very common song. Also, this one. You know how to play Twinkle Twinkle. But in Suzuki Book, there is something different. They introduced this song a little different way. I will show you how to play this one. Then after that I will explain how to play this. Okay, let's go. Normally we are playing this is the normal pattern, but here they are introducing the different style for the student. Here you can see the first one. They are used the 4 semi-quiver, 4 quarter beat. Then after that 2 quiver, 2 half note. First we need to learn this style with open string. You can use the A string. See, ta 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 ta. This is faster one. Last one is like a staccato. Like once again. Then use the E string. Then use the D string. Then use the G string. Once again we can start from the open. I hope you understand. Practice this one first. Then gradually, this one A major, this one A major. You can get the notation from the Google. If you get the link, I will attach in the description. I will show you this one. See, you can use the middle of the bow. See, do not use your whole bow. Most of the students, they are using the full bow. That is wrong. Use the middle bow. A E E E E E. Then F. F F F F F F E E E E E E. Once again I will show you the first line. Then second line. There is D D D D D D C C C C C C B B B B B B A A A A A. Ta 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 ta, like this. Then B A. Then next one, third line, you can use the E, but use the 4th finger. That one is optional. Otherwise you can use the 4th open. Now you can use the 4th finger. Then D, C, B. Once again I will show you same line. Next one is open A. Same like first line. A E E E F F F F E E E E E. Last line is D D D D D D C C C C C C B B B B B B A A A A. Once again I will show you from beginning. This one I will show you a little slowly. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's one very useful piece because I think most of European teachers, they are following Suzuki methods, but Indian teachers, they are following Hanneman and Itakohan books. Okay, and also if I get the notation from Google, I will upload. Otherwise, I will attach the photo. And if you want to improve your playing, try to practice every day. See, I got my violin after repairing. You can see this is a crack. Okay, I repaired it, and also I changed my bridge. I put Teller bridge from Germany. Teller, this one is Teller bridge. This one very good bridge. This one expensive. I think around 1,500 rupees coming. Okay, I repaired it everything. His that luther is very good luther, and also he's doing very professionally. He set up the violin. That's why I'm very happy. Okay, anyway, you practice this one. See you soon. If you are watching first time this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press bell icon and press all. You can get all notifications. Okay, see you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.